Why are you making me play this, cameraman?
I have no idea.
Okay. I swear, he just came down here and said, "Hey, you want to make an Eggo Thomas video?" And I was like, sure, I guess. So this is Toca Kitchen 2. This is a game I haven't played since 2016, if I had to guess. We have this very trendy guy over here.
Yep. His name is Mel. His name is Mel Bias. First name Mel, last name Bias.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is. Oh no. Okay, let's turn up all the way.
All right.
So Mel here is gonna have the dining experience of all time.
Yep.
Here we go. Here's an onion. He doesn't hate it. We're gonna make it even better. First, we're gonna chop it up, right? Let's chop it up real fine. And there we go.
Hey Thomas.
Yeah.
Add tons of pepper on it. It'll make him sneeze.
Yeah. Oh, no, you scared?
Yeah.
You scared, buddy?
You better be scared.
You scared, Mel?
I think that should be enough. All right. Now it's boiled.
Yeah. Boil the salted onions.
Yep. Salted and peppered onions.
They're gonna make it really hot too. Actually, nice. Yeah. Here you go. Oh. Yeah, they're hot.
All right. Now it's turned to hot, salted, and peppered potatoes into a smoothie, an onion smoothie.
I think they're onions, not potatoes.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Should we add something other? Should we add in like another disgusting ingredient to this movie, or just this?
Another one.
Okay.
Another one.
All right. Let's do raw chicken with.
Was that some lemon?
Yeah. Put that on the plate and then bring it over here. All right. This is gonna be absolutely disgusting.
Yep.
Oh my god.
Ketchup. Hey Thomas.
Yeah.
I found this old tablet in the other room, and I decided to make a video with it.
It's disgusting.
Oh.
Nice. Barbecue sauce, whatever. I think this is barbecue sauce.
I think.
Mm-mm.
Drink up.
Oh, he doesn't hate it. If they hate it, they go like, ah.
All right, feed him some fish.
Let's see. All right, fine. Whoa! I love how they go like, whoa! They're so amazed by it, and then they immediately go like, whoa! Ugh, I don't want to eat that.
Here, try turning it into fried fish.
Yeah. Yeah. What the? This game used to make me hungry. Yeah, right? This game used to make me like super hungry.
Yeah. Well, it's a food game.
Yeah. Ooh, he likes it.
Yep.
There you go. Shrimp. Oh, he likes
All right.
that.
Let's feed him some octopus.
Here, I got it. Oh yeah, he even eats that.
All right, now let's make an octopus smoothie.
I got it.
Oh.
Ugh. And dilate it. There. Oh, that's disgusting. Ugh.
Looks like puke.
Yeah. Ew, he likes it. What the? Ugh.
Hey Thomas, let's add some hot sauce to it. Make it spicy.
There you go. Now it's green octopus smoothie.
All right, now give him that blue spiked thing, whatever.
I have no idea. Oh, he's sad about it. I forgot you can be sad about it. Oh.
Here, try putting it in the oven. Now dose it in tons of salt.
I'll only give him a little bit, just so I can see his reaction to the actual.
Okay.
I love how they.
All right, now give him some. Now give him some broccoli with tons of pepper.
Oh wait, shoot.
All right, give him pepper broccoli.
Ugh.
Bahoo-ha.
Alright, I'm gonna have a. Alright, I know what to do.
Let's do bread.
So bread here. Tomato. Watermelon.
All right.
Watermelon here. A little bit of ketchup. Tomato. Bread. Dang it. Okay.
Let's do one at a time. All right, now let's add some barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Let's feed him the octopus.
I wonder if you can override. No, you can't. Man, he really does not like that octopus stuff.
Yeah.
All right, let's give him a pear.
All right.
See how he likes that. If I'm correct, he does not like strawberries. I don't think. Yeah, he doesn't like strawberries. I remember that.
Try giving him pineapple. Let's give him pineapple and some corn.
You could actually make them. You can overfeed them. Let's give him the whole fridge of food. Oh yeah. Yeah. There you go.
All right.
Let's try the girl.
Yeah.
Bah-hoo-ha.
I remember that.
Bah-hoo. Yeah, you just said bah-hoo-ha. Bah-hoo-ha.
All right.
What is she trying to say there? I never understood.
I have no idea.
Why do they always say ah like they're like 5 years old?
I don't know. Maybe that's just Toca Boca for you.
Nom, 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 nom. No person goes like nom, nom, nom. Oh. Ah. Wow. Ah.
All right, let's feed her an onion.
I got. That's not the onion, bro. Was that for the pasta? Okay. She does not like the onion. Yeah, okay. Let's give her a blue object. Oh, she's not happy about that. What is that anyway?
I don't know. Let's feed her a potato.
Okay.
Oh.
Potato smoothie coming right up. Ugh. You want some ketchup with that?
You want fries with that?
Why does everyone say that? I don't get it. Yeah. Yeah. She's not gonna eat it.
All right, let's make it fried. Fried chicken.
She's gonna eat the bone too. Oh, I accidentally gave it to her. She was too hot. Oh, sorry. Oh, all right. We'll show you where next.
Well, my phone's almost dead, so we should kind of end the video soon.
Well, let's give her a watermelon. No, I have an idea.
Hey, Thomas.
Yeah.
What should we do for the grand finale?
All right, I have an idea. Grilled watermelon here. Chopped up. Fried. Put in the oven. Okay, add bread and a spicy strawberry. Lemon, barbecue sauce, pepper everywhere, salt everywhere. Put that in a smoothie. Add some ketchup, some mayonnaise, there you go.
Perfect. Now let's give it to the girl.
I call it. Does she even sip it? I have an idea. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Also, one more thing to give her. There you go. Oh, eat it. Ugh. All right, that was the deliciousness of Toca Kitchen 2. Cameraman, Mr. Jackson, you're welcome for me doing this. I'm exhausted and kind of stressed. So you know what? This helped a lot.
Yep.
So, yeah.
All right. So I guess that does it.
That does it. Subscribe to that. No, not that. Sorry. Subscribe to Tyranno Yoshi for cool content like this.
Yep.
Subscribe to me, that Just Your Average Gamer X, really cringy username, account name, whatever. So yeah, we have a lot of fun over there. I haven't uploaded in a while, but I will.
All right, that does it. Thank you for watching, and next time, don't eat fried octopus and other stuff. Nom nom.